An attack of disease takes us by surprise. It spreads in the darkness from the inside. Slowly it grows, unseen, unfelt, spreading its tentacles, securing its roots. Once the symptoms show, it's too late. The pain cannot be erased. The disease takes its toll, attacking the body and soul. But wait, there is hope in healing our spirit and body through a balance of medicine and natural therapies. Hospital care for our body, mental care through psychology, care for our soul through religious faith, and support from family and friends.